So we are here and going to try the new chicken-based pizza at Pieology. We're going to test it out and let you keto eaters know what it's like. Boast of only 2 carbs. Very good. I love it. Oh my goodness, this is much better than I anticipated it. Okay, so I am a huge texture and consistency person. I'm very picky about the texture of foods, and I absolutely love this. I love the chicken base. It folds well. It's very sturdy. It holds all the toppings. I love it. It's not crunchy like a pizza crust, obviously, but it's not flimsy. It's not soggy or anything like that. I really love this. I'm a fan. Okay, so one is doable and you could eat the whole thing yourself, but I also am finding how full I'm getting because it is packed with protein, so you fill up quickly. You could easily share this, and the great thing about Pieology is you can get salads as well, so easily share one and get a salad. Or if you're like me and you love pizza leftovers and pizza for breakfast, go ahead and get your own, that way you have leftovers for tomorrow. So on mine, I put bell peppers, onions, spicy sausage, and pepperonis. And I also I did mozzarella, the red sauce, and the little mozzarella bites. I love barbecue chicken pizza with like cilantro. That is like my all-time favorite. So if you're not strict keto and are okay, oh my gosh, I could only imagine that would be amazing. If you are trying to keep your carb count lower and you are strict keto, then I would stick with the marinara sauces and just be mindful of, the carb count in sauces. But again, for 2 carbs and the entire pizza, oh my goodness, amazing. It's delicious, oh my goodness, I love it.
Way more filling.
It's Jessica at Blog About It All, and we just tried the new protein chicken-based pizza at Pieology, and we absolutely loved it. It's satisfying, it's filling. You're gonna love it if you're a keto eater, if you're a low-carb eater. You gotta come check it out. Don't be deceived by the size, because when you see that chicken-based size, it does look a little small, but oh my goodness, because it's protein-packed, it fills you up quickly. I did not even finish my entire pizza. So come check them out right here on Douglas in Roseville. I love this Roseville location and all the staff. They were friendly and helpful, and Tim Snook, who is the manager here, did an outstanding job of answering all our questions, and I will have all your answers on the blog at blogaboutitall.com. Okay guys, seriously, in all honesty, I love this pizza. I'm very impressed.